Maza da mata, yara, baba da mama, ya kuke ne? Wannan Naija FM 102.7 Radio namu ne.
Ladies and gentlemen, you need to know, say Fireboy DML is here with me right now inside of the studio, and I did very, very happy as we people go talk. I did super excited. Say Fireboy DML day in front of my voice and my front this morning. As they look me self, and they look at Fireboy DML. How fun?
I did can't where you did now.
I did like the my brother. Your voice got me like woman voice, mama.
I'm on the weather.
Not the weather. All right, so that the first time we go actually talk to you right now about that. And on Tuesday, was it Tuesday or Wednesday? Now we come for that your album listening. Tuesday, right? And I know I'll lie to you. Number one, the small chops make sense. Just like your album, Sweet Well, Adedamola. Now the title of that album, how you take, come up with that name, Adedamola, for your album?
The album is a very personal project.
Okay.
Nothing very personal past person name. So now I put them as the title of my album. Then I've been make people don't say the Adedamola we then know and love still there.
Oh, okay. So now from one of your names where your mama and
my
papa
first name is that.
Oh, Adedamola. Oh, okay. So if you want to walk us through the creative process now for this your album, you get almost like 13 or 14 songs on top of this 14 songs on top of this album. How you do 14 songs way sweet like this back to back, because no bad song for that album, and you make sure say everything as we dey think say we don't belly feel with one. As I remember that listening where we go, before we know they go play another one again. People just they shout. Me said just they shout say, "Hey, Fireboy, don't kill us!" So, how did we offend you so much that you decide to punish us with good music? So, if you want to walk us through the process now of these 14 tracks, how you come up with all of them with sweet back to back like
the
this?
The process is long, small because it no be today matter. Matter of over 2 years now.
Okay.
We are done to make album for me, no be say I just enter studio, just start to make album. Something got sup, and something sup. We be say I learned one or two. I realized a few things about life. So okay, now the things that really matter be this. So the thing changed my perspective small. So okay, make I sit down, cook better album, make I
no, you cook
narrate.
Everything.
And don't be only me do. I had the help of a few legends.
Okay.
Lagbaja, Sean Kuti. Lord J, my brother, John Baptiste, the album. So and then make me cook and when make it make sense. To make it sound very African and very soulful.
Not be just soulful. It's soulful, it's spiritful, it's everything full. So if you want, let us know how this album different from your last album. Waiting be those new styles. Maybe say you experiment on top Adedamola. We know they for your last album.
One thing where I feel talk on now, say more instruments, more brassy instrument did this one.
Okay.
Trumpet, saxophone, it did very rich. That rich African sound, the food there well. That one, let's say that one show where this album passed my other one.
Your last album. Okay. And talking about still this album right now, I know say the 2 years maybe say you suck, say you take use so cook this album. I don't think say it goes smoothly. There will be one obstacle or challenges maybe say you face. So which of these songs on top this album give you small challenges, and which one no even give you any problem at all?
You don't get some when they give me problem. But I don't be saying any song give me any challenges. But Ishaoluwa, when I be the make the song, that period for my life, I be no really. No, things be not really straight. Like I be a very tough place mentally. But I see the record, I see the studio. Sometimes I feel no one the studio. I feel just go apartment with my guys. Okay. Just relax, record. So now one of those processes, those moments. Now the song, as the song come my head, I guys make very inspiring song for this album.
Okay. Okay, so
Ishaoluwa.
All right, so we will go listen to that Ishaoluwa now, and because that's one with Lagbaja. Oh, these people, they never ready. They never ready because Wait till you do.
That one we like, but that one take time pass.
Because at the time, say none of them give you problem. So you don't send the sand. You don't send the sand. Give Lagbaja say Daba. Now waiting, I want make you just walk on top and give you immediately.
Dissect everything.
Okay. So like how many months it take Lagbaja to finish cooking with you?
No be month, no be matter of months. Now we just link up, we talk, link up for studio, sit down, discuss everything, plan everything, then dissect the song together, calculate, disagree, fight. Agree to disagree.
Yeah, I get you.
Back and forth.
Yeah.
Now so they cook back and forth.
Wow. All right. I know it sure say our Nigelicious people go get one or two questions. They say they want to ask you, based on top of this album. And this album don't they everywhere. If you go Twitter now, you see people don't they talk about this Adidamola album already. I go on Instagram now, all the status where they watch. All the media people, Adidamola, I just they see. But I would like make people go make them test at least one of these songs right now, so that they go feel waiting. Wait day that you're listening, they feel. So when we go for the listening, me and Baba go there plus some other media personalities rather we be say we did there. We just they shout because Fireboy, like I don't understand. Which soap did they use, bath? I need to ask you that question. Which soap did they use, bath first?
Man, I got to.
Now, God, so. I beg, if you see where they sell them, I beg, let me know so that I will go buy my own too. Because back to back, everything. I thought if I make her go WhatsApp first, pick that one. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, good morning to you.
Auntie Becca, please.
Yes, so welcome. Who they on the line? Hello, who they on the line?
Now give AKA, put up the line, give the Kyla.
Okay, I don't hear you. You get question for Fireboy.
I want to talk to Fireboy.
Okay.
Fireboy.
Okay.
I'm one of my biggest fan. I love Fireboy.
Now you're fan.
I greet you, Mama.
How are you doing?
How
are you?
We dey push am. How you dey? How are you dey?
Hello, Fireboy. I beg, come carry go California. I beg. So that I follow you. They dance for California.
You sabi dance?
I sabi dance. I be dancer. I dey go show where. I beg, bless me, bless my life, bless me. Many people don't bless me for radio.
Okay. Sorry, Fireboy. Gifts. Okay.
Fireboy, I greet you, Baba.
I greet you, Baba. Well done.
I don't need to ask how Naija because everything is soft. Normal. Your music, normal.
By God's grace, we thank God.
But when they come to me, say, come hold small, break small.
Why? Say na human being, everybody be a human being now. I gotta live life as a human being small now. Not be every time I gotta be Fireboy now.
Sometimes Fireboy they turn to Ice Boy. As they talk to not be every time Fireboy. You dey at any point turn to Ice Boy.
Fireboy say na human being now. Fireboy say relax, make you go learn one or two.
All right, so somebody here they say I beg ask him if Lagbaja wear that in mask when they link up. Larry from Studio Larry, now in the ask that one.
Larry, good question. Me say we see I see Lagbaja face. I know see Baba face too.
Are you serious?
Baba cover face for session.
Wow.
That's why it's Lagbaja now. That's what Lagbaja means.
So you don't go feel go talk am somewhere say you see in real face.
If I see in face, it no be Lagbaja again now.
Oh, true. That was enter. All right. Fireboy never failed to deliver our album of the year 10/10. Yes, I don't go lie to you. This is the best album I don't listen to this year.
Thank you so much.
This year, this is the best album. And he say 10/10 album. We get plenty award. They wait for you on top of this album already.
Fireboy, good morning, bro.
How you doing now, Samson? What's happening now?
I did everything cool, fine. I've been wanting to ask you this question. The DML, is it for Damola?
Yes, my bro.
I've been wanting to know.
What did you think? What did you think it meant? What do you think say it mean before?
I know that me say I think now Damola it could be when you can't release this album, we can't do Damola because I don't know your full name before. Now I can't say. Now okay, now Damola it could be. Hey, Fireboy, that your song Saturday, I like him. It makes sense very well. If I hear him like this, I'd like to hear him on Saturday morning.
Thank you, Samson. I appreciate that.
As if I hear on Saturday morning, they turn my head. I see what you say. One day, Mister, I will sing this Saturday for my
So
wife.
now only Saturday morning they turn your head. You know they turn your head.
As if I go organize it on Saturday, I go sing that one day.
Okay.
As long as the jam, thank you, bro.
So. All right, thank you so much. You as a because as a mother, as a father, we they get favorite among our children. So now these tracks, maybe say you get, they be your 14 children right now. You get favorite, you yourself, from these tracks.
It change from time to time.
Okay.
Yeah, but, right now, between Back and Forth and Ready. Yeah,
now those your two favorite among your children be that
right now. We are the jam.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So you fit change your mind again later.
If you change as I enter canal.
All right. Good morning to you. Waiting be your name. Yes. Good morning. Welcome to Naija FM. Waiting be your name. Where you call us from?
Thank you. My name is Abednego.
Okay. All right. Now. Oh yeah. Now talk to Fireboy. Talk to Fireboy at the hot.
Fireboy.
Good morning, Abednego. How you did, bro?
Good morning. The way where I hear this album, find girlfriend.
For this economy.
I cannot remain single.
For this economy, Abednego.
Economy. Don't worry. I said the way where you take
Hello.
Baba, you for this album. You ain't showing.
No go enter relationship where I no send you.
No worry. I say no worry yourself.
No worry. I do your back.
I
do your back. Go be with you. Thanks for listening, bro.
Album is solid.
Thank you so much, man.
It's not 8 for 10. It's 150.
Thank you so much.
Super amazing. I love Ready so much.
Yeah, you're a man of culture.
Yeah,
you have taste.
Super amazing record. Change your life. They solid. Abasiama, of course.
Okay.
Top notch.
Okay.
You are sure say Yawa no go there.
Yawa no go ever do.
I didn't skip a single track.
You don't jam this album true. Thank you. I really appreciate you, man.
Fireboy, you do something.
Yes, so you do this one. You do this one.
I know this midnight as I wake up. Now the first thing where
I that's so sweet.
God bless you, bro.
I love it. Well done.
Thank you so much, man.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So Fireboy, another person they ask here say, "Sure, you never get girlfriend?" Shall I say because the way they crush on top of you, Say may I ask you now? Say. Yeah, say Opie they don't have a girlfriend yet. Say because she won't come, sign up.
Queue long go.
The queue.
She no mind.
So which number she go be?
Fish the queue shall long.
The queue long. All right, greetings, Fireboy. You don't even know how to make bad music at all, because this your album, all the music gets replay value. I did listen to the album today, goosebumps full my body. Baba, you too good. All right, good morning, Becca. Please, Michael from Mushin. I must say, Adedamola is the first life of the party. Adedamola is the first life of the party of this album. It to make sense. All right, plenty questions go see they come up if you know. If you know they careful, you know go come up from inside the studio with us this morning. So among these your tracks now, which of them the video don't actually drop? Which one never get videos yet?
I did drop video for the Lagbaja song.
I can't
Back
wait.
and Forth featuring Lagbaja with Lagbaja.
Okay.
First, I no go talk the date yet, but
Okay.
the first video we could drop from the album be that.
So maybe keep our fingers
Special
crossed.
grace of God.
Okay.
Yeah, video done ready.
Not to just drop her.
We just palash.
Now 1 midnight now you go drop her
just
again.
stand small. Then we go shoot. The video go come out. Beautiful video, amazing video.
Okay.
You get that nostalgic retro feel with the old album gets. So everything just palash for yeah.
Okay, so apart from this Lagbaja own, which video don't already drop from the album?
Singles we don't drop before Yawa, Everyday, Obasima. I say every day get 2 videos.
No. Okay. All right. So now we be Adedamola don't drop. Adedamola talk. Maybe you go kickstart immediately. It's true because this
I
song.
go into details yet, but just know say this album and the 3 albums where I don't get before.
Yeah.
I did on the road.
On the road 247. 247. All right. Thank you so much, Fireboy, because we don't already, enter into the time of another show. But if you never go download that album, I dey repeat am. If you never go down, you are losing something, no. Because Fireboy decided to cook something special. He look all the album where other people don't drop. Say, look at this one that they play. The real deal is here. And it's here to stay. So Adedamola, the album of Fireboy DML, go checkmate all the 14 tracks on that song back to back. Come back, can't tell me which one you feel saying now the best, where you like there. Now my own best, I won't play right now. Yes. And of course, this one are the one where we say he feature Lagbaja, Omoba, Baba Moko on top. And Fireboy DML, we appreciate you for stopping by with us on Naija FM 102.7. So we did certain just small time we get because Lady J don't they look me from one corner and say, Benny, it's time to leave. So if the people now won't follow you back on top your social media level, I beg, if you call, that's your number, and call them out, and also you let us know where they feel stream all these songs from as well.
My music, they all the streaming platforms with all the DSPs. My social media handle FIREBOYDML, Fireboy DML. Everybody knows.
Okay. All right. We go sign out right now with my best track from that album. Maybe as time goes on, so I will get some other best tracks as well, just like Fireboy gets other favorite too right now. But this one are the one where we say Idu with Lagbaja, and the title of the song now Back and Forth. Let's go.
All right, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.